Alright, YouTube, so I closed off my other video. I gotta be real quiet because I'm out here and our houses are like pretty close together. But just wanted to show y'all the aftermath of the watch in natural sunlight. So I had to step over here, so overcast outside. So you can still see, or it's kind of hard to see actually, what's actually going on. But yeah, you still see some spots. But after I got done making my video, I got a toothbrush and I just went in getting some more grime off of it. And yeah, I say this will be 80% new. I'm gonna go look more into getting maybe some polish for it and a polishing cloth, microfiber cloth. I did not touch the face of it because number one, I don't want to scratch it on accident. But yeah, this is miles better than what it was before. But yeah, thank you for watching. And yeah, so natural sunlight.